Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is, welcome! Here's a quick little video clip about time cards. So you'll see from the morning announcements that the first thing you have to do every day is submit a time card. This verifies your attendance. And so the link is in the materials section. So we're in the materials section. If you're not there, just click the materials section. And if you scroll down, there is the link for the time card. So go ahead and open up that link and open it in a new tab. Actually, I think you can do it in here. Yeah. If you just click on it, it opens up the link and to your time card. And all you're going to do here is type in your last name and then your first name, and then you click submit and you're done. Okay. Then you can go ahead and join our Zoom meeting. The link for that is also right here. There's the link to the Zoom meeting. But the point is that your attendance is now recorded. Let me show you what I get. I get what I get is I get a little timestamp with your name that says what time you logged into Schoology, and this verifies your attendance for the day. Okay? If there's any teachers watching right now, it's actually a Google form. So if you do want to make this, you're making a Google form, just click File, New, and then it's down here, Google Forms, right? And so then you make the Google form, right? So you just set up the Google form, and then to share the link with your students, you click the Send button. You're going to share the link, that's this one right here, and you copy it, right? And then that's the that's the link to the time card. And if you want to see the responses, you click on responses, and then here's the spreadsheet. You create a spreadsheet, and then it creates the spreadsheet, and so that's where you'll get the results from. Okay, what I've done, if we look in my Google Drive, you see that I have a time card for each period, and that's how I am able to track attendance efficiently. Right? I don't have to sit there and scroll through the Zoom list of participants and try to do it that way, or call out people's names. That's just my little trick for how to take attendance efficiently in this time of distance learning. Okay, hopefully it makes sense, and I've done a good job explaining it. If not, if you still have questions, if you need help, send me a message through Schoology, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.